I, L Victoria Gowri,
having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras, my humble pranams. Holy Lalitambiha's infinite shower of divinity, the Mahasankalp of my Sadguru Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, the indomitable grace of Mother India, and the blessings of my beloved parents has dawned this day. Finally, I bow to the noble feet of my husband, Thiru Tulasi Muthuram, who stood by all my experiments with the uncharted waters of the society, facilitating the flow of my life like an enchanting river without stagnation.
Now I read the warrant of appointment of Tirumadi Lakshmana Chandra Victoria Gowri. By virtue of the power vested in me by Class 1 of Article 224 of Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Srimati Lakshmana Chandra Victoria Gowri to be an additional judge of the Madras High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date she assumes charge of her office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 5th day of February in the year 2023, 16th Magha, 1944 Saga, in the 74th year of the Republic of India, signed President of India. I request Tirumadi Lakshmana Chandra Victoria Gowri to take oath of office.
I, Lakshmana Chandra Victoria Gowri,
having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor,
affection or ill will,
and that
I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
There you go. Sit down and do that. Madam? Yep.
Thank you, my lord. Request Honorable Tirumadi Justice Lakshmana Chandra Victoria Gowri to give reply.
அனைவருக்கும் என் பணிவான வணக்கங்கள். My lords, most respected Honorable Acting Chief Justice and most respected companion judges of the Madras High Court, and the dignitaries of the dais, ladies and gentlemen, my humble pranams. Holy Lalitambiha's infinite shower of divinity, the Mahasankalp of my Sadguru Mata Amritanandamayi Devi, the indomitable grace of Mother India, and the blessings of my beloved parents has dawned this day. I have no words to express my gratitude, and I wholeheartedly thank the former Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Munishwarnath Bhandari, former Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Honorable Retired Mr. Justice M. Duraiswamy, and Honorable Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Mr. Justice T. Raja, for reposing faith in me and recommending my name for the post of judge. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the judges of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Dhananjaya Yashwant Chandrachud, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Honorable Mr. Justice K. M. Joseph, Honorable Mr. Justice V. Ramasubramaniam, and Honorable Mr. Justice M. M. Sundaresh, who endorsed the recommendation of the Madras High Court. I am deeply humbled with gratitude by the promising words of appreciation expressed about us by the most respectable Advocate General of this prestigious Madras High Court, Thiru Shanmuga Sundaram, and the renowned leaders of the Bar and the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. I hail from a very remote village named West Nayur at Kanyakumari district, and I am a first-generation lawyer from a very ordinary family. I am thankful to God that both my dearest parents, my 75 years old father, Thiru R. Lakshmana Chandra, and my 72 years old Amma, Tirumati Sarojini Chandra, are able to view this ceremony virtually on this special occasion. I fondly remember my father-in-law, late Thiru Thangamani, who fully supported me in establishing my legal firm, V Victoria Legal Associates, in the year 1998. I am immensely dutiful in thanking all my senior advocates, Thiru Maniraj, Thiru Jacob Fletcher, Thiru Krishnamurthy, and Thiru Madhevan Pillai, from whom I learnt the nuances of legal practice. Being a proud alumni of Madurai Law College, I take the privilege of thanking all my teachers who taught law, especially Professor Johnson, Professor Sudhir, Professor Alagarswamy, Professor Radhakrishnan, our moot court mentor, Professor Iqbal, and our mighty principal, Professor Pal. I dedicate my entire legal practice before Madras High Court Madurai bench to Honorable late Miss Justice K. Suguna, who instilled greatest hope and confidence about High Court practice by categorically guiding me that I should expand my practice from Kanyakumari district to High Court as well. I thank the entire legal fraternity of Madras High Court Madurai bench and the district of Kanyakumari. Finally, I bow to the noble feet of my husband, Thiru Tulasi Muthuram, who stood by all my experiments with the uncharted waters of the society, facilitating the flow of my life like an enchanting river without stagnation. I thank both my lovely daughters, Dr. Vasanta Bharati and Surya Gayatri, for consistently bearing with my missed timings as a dutiful mother all through their lives. I thank my brother Dr. L. Padmaram Chandra, who stood with me during all the times of difficulties in life. Last but not the least, I thank my entire team of robust juniors, both in my Nagargoil office and in my office at Madurai bench. I bow to the noble feet of all the elder brother and sister judges who are on the dais, who are watching from my beloved Madurai bench, including retired Mr. Justice Kripaharan, and all the senior members of the bar, both at Madurai and Madras and Madurai bench, and seek all your profound blessings. To conclude, I seek the words of Swami Vivekananda, who once remarked, "The one thing that is the root of all evils in India is the condition of the poor." So long as the millions live in hunger and ignorance, I hold every man a traitor who, having been educated at their expense, pays not the least heed to them. Moved by these words of concern towards our motherland, I am conscious and fully aware that today I am handed over with the greatest responsibility of being a judge only to heed to the unheard and oppressed voices of the poorest of the poor, to liberate the marginalized, to scuttle down the abominable inequalities of the society, and to nurture fraternity in this beautiful, serene, diverse land named India. Today, From this most prestigious dais, with all humility, I undertake to dispense justice in realizing the dreams of the makers of our Constitution. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind.